For the record.
Okay, the pins in my liner are partially taken out. If you don't know how to remove the trunk liner, go ahead and check out Camaro Mod's channel. I believe he actually did a full spoiler install, but check out Camaro Mod's channel if you need to figure out how to remove this basic stuff. I'm cutting past that. Now I'm at the point, I have the 4 bolts to remove, so I can take off the factory spoiler. 10mm socket. Let's go. One's out. Let's get the next. Number 2's out. Let's go for number 3. You guys get the point. All 4 bolts are broken loose. Time to lower my trunk some and attempt to pry up the spoiler from the trunk deck lid. Firmly grab with one hand, apply a little pressure and pull up. Both sides. Cool. I've broken it free. You can see it's loose. I don't think I have a plastic push tab on mine, so see if I can get it off. Bam. It's off. Beautiful spoiler. Whoever wants this, buy it from me. There we go. Got to clean up the top of my trunk area and be right back. Shooting all this stuff one-handed kind of sucks, but I'm just too anxious to get my spoiler going, and I didn't really want to set up correctly, but put some water on my microfiber rag here so I can give it a good wipe down cleaning, and half of it's wet, the other half is dry. Oh, look at that, a little damage under there. Doesn't matter, that'll be covered up. Okay, let's dry them off some. Sorry, this video is kind of funny, but you guys get it. No prep, just install and go. Car looks so plain without a spoiler, plain Jane. Well guys, I was being kind of foolish. I was attempting to hold the camera and record, secure the spoiler as I'm trying to bolt it in to the trunk lid, and that wasn't that smart of a move. So I sat the camera down, just bolted it. You guys don't need to see me doing a screw job. I mean, come on. This is what you guys really want to see, the spoiler. So I moved the car so I can get it kind of in the sun for you guys to see. And check this out. I mean, it's got fingerprint marks on it, but this carbon fiber is beautiful. This is the badass spoiler. Here, let me close the trunk all the way. All right, trunk is fully closed. Let's look at this baby. I like how it just lines up with the edge of the car there. So smooth. Anyway, this is spoiler, guys. So just a quick one. I think I'm about to go out and ride and enjoy myself a little bit. Catch you later. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.